Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Jiffy Muffins using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 box of Jiffy Muffin mix, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your muffins bake evenly and quickly. Also, prepare your muffin tin by lining it with paper cups or spraying with a non-stick cooking spray. This simple preparation makes cleanup a breeze. Now let's mix the batter. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the entire package of Jiffy Muffin mix with 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients gently until they are just moistened. It's important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. A few small lumps are perfectly normal and actually help create a light, fluffy texture. This step is quick and easy. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully spoon the batter into your prepared muffin cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. This allows room for them to rise beautifully. Place the muffin tin into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick. It should come out clean. Once baked, let your delicious Jiffy Muffins cool in the tin for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve them warm for the best experience, perhaps with a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey. They're perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. For more financial wisdom and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.